just be so honest with your craft
हाँ
कि you cannot help it to be seen.
हाँ
And even if it scares
अच्छा,
people, let it scare
हाँ,
people.
got this cult following
Yes.
that says, oh, it's Hajra Yamin, let's wait and see what she has to do.
Exactly. And I didn't know I have this.
This you got through the struggle.
This is a recent find for me as
अच्छा?
well. This is a very recent.
मुझे Twitter से नजर आता है. I see
हाँ.
conversations on you a
I'm
lot
not
of
on
times.
Twitter. I'm not on Twitter.
Okay, you need to get on to Twitter.
I guess. But then again, I mean, having one social platform is enough of a stress already, you know. But no, it's a lot already. But this is a recent find for me as well, and it's overwhelming. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. But now when I'm going through a difficult time in life, मेरे दिमाग में पहली थॉट ये आती है कि यार ये परफॉर्मेंस में कैसा निकलेगा.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm with a very talented actress. I think anybody who's seen her perform can't deny that she is incredibly talented, gets into the skin of every character that she acts out. And right now we are seeing her on TV in Dr. Bahu, लेकिन आगे भी इनके कुछ projects आ रहे हैं. इनके पिछले भी बहुत से projects हैं. It could be a small role, it could be a big role, it could be a pivotal role. But whatever Hajra Yamin does, she shines in it. And she shines in it so much that you want to see more of her. So I'm seeing more of her right now. We are meeting for an interview. क्या हाल है Hajra?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. Malia, how are you?
Good, good.
Thank you for having me.
No, thank you. This is such a great time for an interview क्योंकि आप डॉक्टर बहू में आ रही हैं, ऐसे पार्ट पे हैं जहाँ वी आर ऑल रूटिंग फॉर यू. और वैसे भी बड़े दिन हो गए थे मिले हुए.
हाँ, it's been a couple of years.
Yes, and you are somebody जो हमेशा मुझे लगा कि जो बगैर सोचे कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, इंडस्ट्री में लोग माइंड ना कर लें, यू ऑलवेज स्पोकन योर हार्ट आउट. है ना? कभी उसका कोई नुकसान भी होता होगा?
Nothing that I care about.
अच्छा.
To be very honest, I mean, वो नुकसान नहीं होता. I think वो protection होती है. You know, I take it as divine intervention. कि अगर मेरे सच बोलने से और अगर मेरे honest होने से एक चीज़ रुक गई, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. You know.
हाँ, अच्छा, गलत लोगों से जान छुटी है.
जान छुटी because उससे बेहतर ही कुछ आना होगा. इसलिए ये filter. I take it as a filter. Be it work, be it people. जो जाता है जाने दो. कोई बात नहीं. कुछ अच्छा आने वाला है. So yeah.
Okay. All right, that's great. I think that's a great way of looking at it. And फिर in that vein, I hope we have an honest conversation like we always do.
We always do.
Off the record, we've had such a. Now that was a sizzling conversation.
It was.
Off record.
It was.
So we will not name names anymore, but we'll still have a very honest conversation, I'm sure. डॉक्टर बहू से ही बात शुरू करते हैं बिकॉज अभी आप एक मोहब्बत और तो आना है. हमराही में भी आपका रोल अभी आना है. तो जो हम रोल अभी देख रहे हैं पहले हम उसकी बात करते हैं. और मैंने आपकी क्लिप देखी जहाँ आपने कहा कि यू वर नॉट श्योर अबाउट टेकिंग डॉक्टर बहू बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी सिमिलर टू योर कैरेक्टर इन नूरजहां. I also felt the same way when I saw it. I said, Hajra is again playing the wife that the husband does not want. There is again another woman.
But see, the thing is, एक तो जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पे पूरा पढ़ लिया 10 एपिसोड्स के बाद जब मैंने बाकी सारा पढ़ा तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि नहीं, इसका बैकग्राउंड डिफरेंट है. शी इज़ एजुकेटेड, यू नो. इट्स जस्ट दैट she lacks confidence, and because she's a part of the system now, and अभी वो उसके बीच में है कि वो इनेबल भी कर सकती है और वो निकल भी सकती है. So अभी वो उस जंग में है कि वो इनेबल करे या वो निकले. So I think वही slow and steady wins the race. You know, and Mina's, you know, her behavior, everything about her is so measured कि वो जो भी आगे decision लेगी, it will be for her better. You know, उस तरह वाला उसका सिलसिला है.
हाँ, but she's taking her time. बड़ी उसने अपनी लाइफ के बहुत साल उसने इस डिजास्टर्स घर में गुजार दिए in this marriage which isn't working for her.
हाँ, अब आप ये सोचें कि अगर चलो 5 साल भी हो गए उनकी शादी को, hypothetically speaking, तो of course उसने शुरू में कुछ तो you know किया होगा, कुछ बोला होगा, because एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो भी एक डॉक्टर बन के आई है घर में, शी वाज अ गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट,
हाँ बिल्कुल,
यू नो, एंड आगे जाके उसको इतना छोटा कर दिया, तो उसने ये हो ही नहीं सकता मलिया कि उसने कुछ बोला ना हो।
लेकिन फिर वो ऐसे बुलीज
थे कि ऑब्वियसली यू नो, एंड ऑफ कोर्स फिर सब्र आ जाता है, तो वो वाली लड़की है जिसमें पेशेंस भी है, शी कैन वेट। आई थिंक वही वाली चीज़ है कि आई थिंक उसका भी एक चैलेंजिंग पॉइंट है कि और कितना पुश करोगे और कितना दीवार के साथ लगाओगे, you know, and then I think it takes a lot for a person like Minna to react,
yeah,
you know,
Yeah.
and I had that battle as Hajra because I at times, you know, ये वाली जो चीज़ें हैं जो मिना के साथ हो रही है वो as Hajra मेरे लिए मतलब मेरा टॉलरेंस लेवल नहीं है।
हाँ.
तो जब इन कैरेक्टर जब मैं करी थी तो आई हैड टू यू नो लाइक मुझे दोहराना पड़ा अपने दिमाग में कि नहीं, यू कैन नॉट, यू नो, यू कैन नॉट रिएक्ट, मिना कैन नॉट रिएक्ट, शी रिस्पॉन्ड्स। तो मुझे अपने आप को काफ़ी अलग करना पड़ा वो खेलने में,
from who you are, from who you are in reality,
yes,
हाँ,
yes.
and your beliefs, your
Yes.
actual beliefs. वैसे कुछ लड़कियां ऐसी होती हैं मेरे ख्याल से जो पूरी जिंदगी ऐसे ही गुजारती हैं, like Minna, in houses where they are bullied and they have to, you know, confine themselves, अपने ambitions छोड़ के, dreams छोड़ के, ऐसी भी होती हैं, हमारे यहाँ तो होती हैं,
उनको फाइनेंशियली क्रिपल कर दिया जाता है, ठीक है, एंड उनको जो है डिपेंडेंट कर दिया जाता है। A lot of times मलिहा, women don't have their own bank accounts, और ये बहुत बड़े घरों की कहानियाँ हैं, where they're deprived of that even, you know, so I feel like कि अच्छी बात है कि ये कहानियाँ उभर के आ रही हैं, और जब मिना का आगे जाके जो कुछ भी होगा तो I really hope कि you know girls who are in this situation they learn a thing or two.
You are performing them, and Adil Hussain is there, and both of you are very talented actors. You have so much to give to every role, every character, right? तो वो जो scenes होते हैं, एक scene होता है लेकिन वो बड़ा memorable होता है, जैसे screaming match है, you know, कोई भी चीज़ है तो वो बड़े दिल से होती है, बड़ा असल का लग रहा होता है।
पता ये मैं क्रेडिट रखना नहीं चाहूँगी बिकॉज इसमें बहुत सारा क्रेडिट अदील हुसैन को जाता है। अदील इज़ as an actor, as an artist, he's much senior to I am. For the first time, I watched him in Daam, and I fell in love with him as an actor.
He was
like,
so
oh my God, Adil.
That was some drama. Yeah.
Yes. और मैंने कहा I'm gonna work with him, and then when I started shooting with him, Adil is such a secure actor. He will give you all the space you need. He gave me all the space. उसने कहा खेलो। उसने जो मुझे करना था उसने मुझे करने दिया। He's a very generous actor.
अच्छा.
Actually, yes. And you know, he really like makes space for himself as an actor in the story. And very like in a very raw, you know, soft and at the same time aggressive kind of a way, he'll make his space.
अच्छा.
And I love that because I believe कि the माहौल we're working in वहाँ और कोई रास्ता नहीं है अपनी जगह बनाने का।
क्योंकि ये फैजान और मिना जैसे कैरेक्टर बड़े फॉरगेटेबल भी हो सकते हैं।
Exactly.
इतनी सारी चीजें और चल रही है ना इस ड्रामे में। तो ये पीछे भाभी और ये जो भाई है दूसरा, उसकी स्टोरी बिल्कुल फॉरगेटेबल हो सकती है। ये तो एक्टर्स और डायरेक्टर्स सब इस तरह उसे लेके चल रहे हैं।
Exactly. तो मैंने I mean I'd say that I've learned a thing or two from Adil, how to make your space shamelessly. Love it.
Oh, he did a great job.
He did a great job. Yeah. He did a great job.
So have you? I'm still watching the drama.
Thank you. जब मेरे पास ये आया ना, मुझे पता था कि इस स्क्रिप्ट में वो वाली जगह नहीं है मिना की जो सुंबुल की थी इन नूरजहां।
हाँ, this is a subplot.
हाँ, ये वो वाला किरदार नहीं है और इसीलिए मैंने मना भी कर दिया था। तो बिकॉज मुझे ये होता है कि यार मैं I mean a lot of times people would give me scripts which are not very strong, that because I mean I love them for it, that because they believe in my craft, that I'll make something out of it, but not every time. I'm not willing to do that every single time, and that is when Nadeem bhai, you know, intervened, and I will always give him credit for that. You know, he pushed me to do so. उन्होंने कहा हाजरा, I want you to do this, because he said कि मैं तुम्हारा ग्राफ देख रहा हूँ, तुमने सुंबुल किया, तुमने इफ्रा किया मंटो में, तो ये बहुत मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें हैं और मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम इन डिफरेंट लाइट्स नज़र आओ।
Why do you think it's such a hit, Dr. Bahu? And it is. I think everybody is watching.
It is a hit. It is a hit. I really think कि इसका partly reason जाता है सलमान के कैरेक्टर को, because I think it's breath of fresh air.
हाँ, green flag है.
He's a green flag, and you don't see a lot of that on screen.
हाँ.
You really don't. He's saying all the right things, you know, and जो जिस dynamic की हम बात कर रहे थे कि कोई उसको जितना भी bash करे, it is different and fresh for the eyes to see, and people need that. They may not accept it in the beginning.
What is it?
I mean, जो शुरू में सारी जो bashing चल रही थी
सानिया और सलमान
को लेके वो सब कुछ के, तो because it's very different for the eyes, right?
It's a fresh pair.
It's a fresh pair. But look at how beautifully it's panning out. And now people have forgotten about it.
हाँ, ये
because it's such a small, stupid, petty detail.
Actually, जब ड्रामा शुरू होता है तब तक आप जज नहीं कर सकते. जब तक कुछ एपिसोड ना गुजरे, आप कैसे देख सकते हैं कि एक्टर्स और किरदार आपस में जेल कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे?
और जो कुब्रा की और शुजा की केमिस्ट्री है, the credit goes to them. Because they worked so hard on all the scenes कि वो अब ऐसा नजर आ रहा है कि it looks so good, you know. So I do believe it is the odd pairing. I do believe it is it's how the men have been shot and humanized to a certain level कि वो लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा,
yeah. I believe
even Adil Hussein's character.
यार मुझे देखें, जब मैं obviously I know his character's back story, इसलिए ये मैं कह सकती हूँ, but I think I do feel like जो उसकी frustration है, जो इतने सालों का उसका भी suppression है as the eldest son, वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं नजर आता है.
अच्छा, हमें as an audience वो सिर्फ obnoxious लग रहा होता है most of the time. ओके, वो इतना मुझे ह्यूमनाइज नहीं लगता फिलहाल. बट ऑफ कोर्स मैंने पूरा ड्रामा नहीं देखा, तो मुझे उसके ऑर्डियल्स और उसकी जो साइकी है वो मुझे नहीं पता. ये तो पता चलेगा.
बट इवन इन बीइंग obnoxious he's doing such a good job.
Yeah, he is very good at being obnoxious. But Adil Hussain is good in all the roles
that he does.
As are you, Hajra.
Thank you.
As are you. और आपने अभी 3 ड्रामों के नाम लिए. नूरजहां, उस टाइम पे तो हम मिले थे और हमने सुम्बुल को बड़ा डायसेक्ट किया था, आपने और मैंने. ठीक है. मंटो आया. I also felt, why did Hajra Yamin do Manto? Why did you do Manto?
So I got to work with him, and that's all I needed, you know, to get by during that shoot. And वो character जो था on paper, जो नदीम भाई ने किया वो उससे ज़्यादा ही किया, because जिन writer का वो play था, I think if there's any director जो उनके writing को अच्छा shoot कर सकता है, then that's only Nadeem Baig.
It's only Nadeem Baig.
No one else.
For sure.
No one else can pull off a Khalil Rahman script better than Nadeem Baig.
For sure.
So yeah, that was my only reason for doing so. And I mean, his vision was कि Hajra, your character will be loved. मुझे पता है. I was like, okay, fine. And he was right.
नहीं हाजरा, मैंने तो वो कैरेक्टर देखा और मैंने सोचा कि जब हाजरा यामीन है तो ये 2 किस्तों 3 किस्तों का कैरेक्टर क्यों है? मेरा तो नहीं दिल माना. अब वो ठीक है,
अब वो आपका प्यार है. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने ये कहा, you're not the only one.
We have seen you perform all these years, take on different roles, become so many different people, and any director having you there can really enjoy himself or herself just molding you into all these shapes.
I love it. I love that process.
लेकिन इसमें
वो आपको नहीं मिला.
नहीं ना, थे ही 2.5 एपिसोड 3 एपिसोड,
और फिर वो लास्ट में,
और फिर वो गायब हो गई. और फिर बहुत दिनों तक तो मैं सोचती रही है वापस आएगी, हाजरा है, हाजरा का कैरेक्टर तो वापस आएगा. मैंने then I realized, oh my god, she was just going. It was a guest appearance more than anything.
I think I loved leaving people asking for more.
Think positive, Hajra, but I wish there had been more to you.
I wish there had been more as well, but जो इतने से भी जो मुझे मिला, I was very happy with that, you know. And
देखिए वो 3 एपिसोड में तो हमने आपकी बहुत बात की. जो 3 एपिसोड से उनमें आपके किरदार की बात बहुत हुई कि अच्छा क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. एंड ये सीन जब उसने पानी फेंका को, तो कितनी बनी रील्स. I think everybody really appreciated that. तो
no, I'm very grateful for that. I am. And slow and steady, you know, for ourselves.
Okay. Yeah. But you're worth longer episodes, more scenes. I feel. I know. And but you stay positive, and that's something we were talking about before.
I'm human. Of course, I have my moments of weakness as well. Only the people who are closest to me know that I have that. You know, I mean, a lot of times when I meet people, वो कहते हैं कि हाँ जब we don't think you have a negative side, I'm like सोच है आपकी, you know, I'm human, you know, I have my shadows, you know, I have my moments in which I'm like, you know, I have my dialogues with Allah Ta'ala कि what's going on, what's next, ये वो, and I have full faith in that, and like, you know, when we were talking off the record, मैं वही बात यहाँ पे repeat करूँगी कि I really worked on my fear in terms of, you know, in terms of people in this industry.
अच्छा.
You know, and being somebody जिसका इस industry से कोई background नहीं है, जो यहाँ पे किसी को नहीं जानती, किसी के भी contact के through नहीं आई, and मुझे और जिसका एक शायद बहुत अवामी perspective है, you know, कि I've seen like जिन लोगों के साथ अभी मैं काम कर रही हूँ, जिनके साथ मैं काम करती आई हूँ, I was watching them as an audience for a very long time.
Yeah.
So yeah, तो फिर जब और फिर जो power struggle होती है और फिर you know a lot of times when people see and register your talent, they may not want to work with you.
Despite registering your talent.
Despite registering your talent, be it actors, be it anyone, because maybe they're afraid of taking that risk. Or a lot of times I know what I bring to the screen, Maliha, and I know what goes on screen and after when I come on screen. So, and I know the impact that it leaves. So a lot of times I think I understand when somebody would not want to stand with me in the same frame.
What goes on after you are on screen?
Huh?
Meaning, are you
As
saying
in the response that I get from
response
people,
is always phenomenal?
it's always phenomenal. You know,
And
there's so much love.
Huh.
You know, there's so much
Even
love.
for a small role.
Even for a
side role.
Yeah, there's just so much love.
अच्छा.
And फिर मुझे, but then again, with time, I found people who wanted to collaborate instead of dim my light, instead of, you know, कि अच्छा अब हाजरा इस फ्रेम में खड़ी हो रही है और साथ में कोई और एक्टर है तो उनको कैसे बड़ा दिखाएं बिकॉज सिर्फ हाजरा नज़र आ रही है, क्या करें. So I then witnessed कि people became secure. So I found those people.
You found those people.
I found those people, and which is why I have become very selective about what I do. And you will not see me do anything and everything.
But you will work with teams that you trust. Nadeem Baig,
I trust. Because I know that director will be fair with every single character in his story. You know, remember I said before that there are a lot of times that I've worked with female directors with a very strong male gaze, but a lot of male directors but with a very strong female gaze. That's who he is.
He's a very good storyteller.
He's a very
sensitive
good storyteller, very sensitive, you know, and he will make sure कि वो आपकी performance निकाले. You know, कि वो उन details पे, उन nuances पे बात करें जिस पे आपका ध्यान नहीं जा रहा. So yeah, it's always such a treat to work with him. तो अगर कोई इफ्रा जैसा भी किरदार होता है तो मैं कहती हूँ yes, let's do it. So yeah.
ये भी तो होता है ना, कभी कभी कोई बहुत ग्रैंड प्रोजेक्ट बन रहा होता है जिसमें बहुत अच्छी एक पूरी टीम होती है. नदीम बेग and then the whole Manto team was exceptional.
Yeah.
You want to be part of that ensemble.
Yeah.
It could be a smaller role.
Yeah.
It could be, you know, like कम screen time, but some significant. देखो उसका role तो significant तो था ना. End में जो death हुई, जो conclusion था वो उसी लड़की की वजह से हुआ, right? तो ये भी एक बात है कि आप उसे grand project का part थी.
हाँ,
है ना?
हाँ. And the thing is कि वो इतना strong ensemble था already.
Exciting था.
इतना exciting था that there was no other way than for everyone, the smallest characters in it to be seen. सब नजर आए उसमें.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो देखा इतना
जा रहा था, you know. So yeah, so
okay, so that was Manto.
That was Manto.
And now there's Dr. Bahu.
Yeah.
Then there's Ek Mohabbat Aur that you're doing.
Farooq Rin.
Farooq Rin. Okay.
Treat to work with him as well.
Really?
Yeah. Because so Ek Mohabbat Aur का करने का credit solely सिर्फ समरा को जाता है.
अच्छा.
She's the one who called the shots on that project.
Okay.
Yeah. She was like, Hajra, I want you to do it. जब मैंने script पढ़ा तो मुझे उसमें इतनी space नहीं नजर आई. But Samra said, I want you to work with Dada because he will make it into something that's not written in the script. वो ऐसा नहीं होगा जैसा स्क्रिप्ट में है. मैंने कहा ठीक है. So cut short, मेरे कुछ दिन शूट हुआ फारूक भाई के साथ and we clicked. He's such a pleasant director to work with. He's such a patient director to work with. You know कि हम लोग usually TV के sets पे बहुत rush में होते हैं. But with him, even with Nadeem भाई, you know, there's no rush. Performance is the main character.
Right. Okay.
हाँ, the frame, the scene, that is the main character. तो वो उस sense में बहुत relaxed होता है environment. So I'm very excited for this one as well. And वही मतलब when you get a taste of, you know, when you get a taste of this, where performance is everything, where you rehearse, where there's no discrimination, you know, when there's a set which is fair, and when you know that you're going to be shot fairly,
even though it has so many other
actors, you're going to receive equal amount of attention in every way. So how could you settle for less as an actor? You know, so yeah.
Twitter pe people were putting up screenshots saying, "Oh, this insane chemistry." So even though it's an Ahad and Maya love story, we can tell. But लोगों ने screenshot लगा, and that's when I realized कि वो teaser आ गए. And then I went on to YouTube and saw the teaser. So people were saying insane chemistry between Ahad and Hajra Yamin.
Yes.
I like this. This is Hajra Yamin. People want to see more of her. So
Alhamdulillah, people are very kind. People have been very loving, and I feel like, I mean, कोई कुछ और कहे या ना कहे, I think वो सबसे बड़ी गवाही होती है जो लोगों की आवाज़ होती है.
हाँ, जो
लोगों का प्यार होता है. So yeah, I'm very grateful for that.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, recently somebody asked me in an interview, you know, I mean, you seem very calm. Are you not as passionate as you were before? And I was like, no, I'm just very patiently, you know, looking at all the puzzle pieces coming together, you know, and I can see the bigger picture now. I know where I'm going.
Yeah.
And I know that it is unstoppable. And
that's good to know.
I know nobody can get in the way. Because there's this one big guy sitting on top of everyone who's looking after me.
That's wonderful.
So, yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
And also over a 9-year-long career, has a lot of sense also come कि अच्छा ये रोल लोगों को याद रहे. जरूरी नहीं है कि हीरो के साथ ऑपोजिट मेन हीरोइन की लव स्टोरी हो. ये वो रोल हो जिसमें मेरे पास कुछ करने को हो. एक ये भी एक मैच्योरिटी या सेंस आ जाता है ना ओवर टाइम.
I mean, having said that, I mean, I do want to do a love story. I do. I still do.
Where you have the main track and everything.
I want to do all of that. I do. And but at the same time, you know, जो आपको मिल रहा है, how are you going to make the best out of it?
For sure.
And the reason why at this point, after years into my career, अगर एक चीज़ ऑडियंस को ठहराव पे ले आती है, उनको रोक देती है और मैं उनको याद रह जाती हूँ, तो वो इसीलिए आया है because all of these years I was being prepared for this.
Yes.
For this love, for this attention, which will eventually take me into higher places, in, you know, somewhere you never know. You know, somewhere which is way better than where I am now. And where I am now is also a good place.
Yeah, Hajra, I think so. And I also think storylines are evolving.
Storylines are evolving.
अब हीरो हीरोइन की कहानी नहीं होती. डॉक्टर बहू में अगर मिना और फैजान ना होते तो एक बहुत बड़ा गैप होता. डॉक्टर बहू में अगर उसकी पुप्पो नहीं होती कैंसर सर्वाइवर तो कितना बड़ा गैप होता. तो ये सब कहानियां हालांकि है तो वो जाहिर है सानिया और सलमान की एक मेन ट्रैक है, बट ये सब जो स्टोरीज बाकी सारी हैं वो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है कहानी में सब्सटेंस लाने के लिए. सो यू नो अब stories are evolving. So substantial roles do not have to be the quintessential heroine role. Of course, you would like that also.
Of course.
But
हाँ,
ये भी
हाँ,
अच्छे ही हैं.
ये भी अच्छे हैं.
अच्छा, अब हम हमराही की बात करेंगे.
हाँ.
तीसरा ड्रामा जो उसमें आप अभी तो हमराही बिल्कुल शुरू के दिनों में है, तो
हाँ.
आप काफी आगे जाकर आएंगे.
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ.
So हमराही में भी रोल कुछ ऐसा है जो मुख्तलिफ है, या हमराही ऐसा ड्रामा है जो पॉपुलर ड्रामा है और इसलिए कभी कभी पॉपुलर ड्रामे भी करने चाहिए?
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. मैं आपको बताती हूँ, दिस वाज एक्चुअली माय फर्स्ट टाइम वर्किंग विद बाबर जावेद.
ओके.
मैंने अभी तक उनके साथ काम नहीं किया था. एंड जब व्हेन समरा केम विद दिस ऑफर, तो आई वाज लाइक, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? So she was like, if everything falls into place, so I think you should do it because you've never worked with him before. And Babar Javed is a huge name.
Of course.
He's a huge name in the industry. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, done. And the thing is कि मैं बहुत एक जैसे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम कर रही हूँ, तो this will be a new flavor. Let's see क्या होता है, कैसे जाता है. तो मैंने किया और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया उनके साथ काम करके. मैंने एक्चुअली सीखा कि एट टाइम्स सेट पे अगर हम 4 सीन दिन में कर रहे हैं या 5 कर रहे हैं, तो हम 10 भी कर सकते हैं. Only if you have a good DOP, only if you have a good production quality.
Okay.
Yeah, and he's really good with all of that. So, and without compromising on the acting, without compromising on anything, वो बहुत बेहतरीन काम निकाल लेते हैं. तो मुझे ये as an actor मुझे उसमें हुआ कि अच्छा, you know, now I can channel my emotions a little faster.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
वो
Okay.
as an actor मुझे वो आना चाहिए. Because हम लोग जब काम कर रहे होते हैं तो कभी लाइट का इशू होता है, कभी आउटडोर सीन कर रहे हैं, कोई बहुत इंटेंस सीन है तो सूरज जा रहा है, क्या करें, ये वो.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
तो हमें as actors हमें बहुत flexible होना पड़ता है. And we don't have time. We don't have the luxury of time on set when it comes to our emotions or processing them. तो आपको वो बहुत flexible होना पड़ता है with your craft. तो मुझे उस चीज़ में मज़ा आया बाबर जावेद के साथ. And it was a really good environment. His entire team was really good to work with. You know? So yeah.
Your scenes are mostly with Danish Taimur?
Yes.
Okay.
My scenes are mostly with Danish and there's She's. She's उसमें मेरा छोटा भाई बना हुआ है.
अच्छा. Okay.
So हम दोनों का character, मेरा और She's का, it's more of a catalyst for Danish.
Okay.
In the story.
To move his story along.
To move his story along. Where I'm a catalyst in the story. Yeah.
Achha.
I have a little bit of my own thing going on in it as Rania, but it's more of a catalyst.
अच्छा हाजरा, मैंने सोचा कि maybe it's also because हमराही obviously the दानिश तैमूर हिबा बुखारी ड्रामा, और दानिश तैमूर हिबा बुखारी आपके the most loved celebrity pairing है on TV. They have so many hit dramas to their credit. I think 3-4 हैं. And मैंने सोचा कि any actor would sign on to this because this drama will be seen a lot.
Of course there are those reasons.
है ना?
Of course there are
because
those reasons.
Danish and Hiba are so loved.
They are. They are.
And they have a cult following.
And they're very lovely people to work with as well. And of course, I mean, it's
that was another reason.
That was one of the reasons. It's a commercial project, and you know, it will get more eyeballs. You know, and जो Danish और हिबा की जो audience है, it's a different audience altogether. I feel. And I would love to be seen by them as well.
Yeah, it is a slightly different flavor of drama. है ना? डॉक्टर बहू का फ्लेवर और है, इसका और है, और एक मोहब्बत और तो मैंने अभी देखा नहीं, तो उसका क्या फ्लेवर है. और फारूक रिंद का भी एक कहानी सुनाने का मखसूस अंदाज है ना.
बहुत अच्छा तरीका है. I mean, from his direction to वो जितना precise कर देते हैं scenes को, और to his lighting. You know, everything. It's fun to watch him work. Like he's a true artist director at work on set.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
ठीक है. हो गए सब शूट या समय?
नहीं, मेरा जून में बाकी मेरा लास्ट.
Oh, what lovely weather to work in.
Alhamdulillah. It's okay. I mean, हम इस्लामाबाद में होंगे.
Okay.
तो I guess you know एक अच्छा माहौल होगा, ग्रीनरी होगी, शामें अच्छी होंगी, although I feel because मैं वहाँ रही हूँ इस्लामाबाद में, तो इस्लामाबाद की जो गर्मी है जून की वो बहुत बुरी होती
मैं
है।
यही सोच रही थी, मैं भी
Yeah.
आई थिंक जून ओवरऑल
और
ऑल
मेरे
अक्रॉस
बाल,
पाकिस्तान।
हाँ, और मेरे बाल सीधे हैं उसमें।
हाँ, that was also a new look by the way,
Yeah,
because
yeah, yeah,
usually
yeah.
you keep your curly mane.
हाँ, because मुझे वो होता है कि यार my hair is not my identity. Stop making my hair my identity. But then again, people love it so much, so I
No,
am
Hajra,
very
but
grateful
it
for
makes
that.
you look unique.
It
Because
does.
we now
It does.
live in a world where there are not just our makeup, the way we
हाँ.
dress, the way we do our hair,
Yeah.
all the cosmetic surgeries going about. There are a lot of same looking faces.
There are.
And then your hair
हाँ.
just stands out.
It does.
Differently,
It
though.
does. It does.
Yeah.
And I mean, even अभी भी फारूक भाई was like, अगर तुम ना भी करो तो मुझे मसला नहीं है। मैंने कहा नहीं, I want to do something
A
different.
new look.
हाँ,
Yeah,
हाँ.
a new look.
So yeah, so he was game.
But Hajra, you have a very unique look and you've always
do.
stuck by it.
I have.
Right?
I have.
कभी सोचा है कि मैं वो कन्वेंशनल सीधे बाल करके अगर ये लुक करूं तो
हाँ.
मैं कन्वेंशनल लीड वाला रोल में ज़्यादा फिट कर जाऊं? Have you ever thought about that?
यार, I mean, of course, एक दो बार मैंने सोचा है, but I really like my hair.
Yes, it's lovely. I
हाँ.
don't think you should ever.
हाँ, I
Yeah.
really like my hair. I'm actually really attached to it. If the character or the director wants it to be different,
हाँ.
so of course I'm always open to it.
Okay.
I will do it. At the end of the day, as an actor, you're supposed to be a chameleon.
Yeah. Yes.
सही है, तो अब मेरा काम है
Hmm.
कि you know, और काम से क्या जंग. So you know, उसमें तो मैं obviously I'm flexible, but personally speaking, I love my hair.
I also
And
think it
हाँ.
is. I know you are saying
हाँ.
that your hair is not your identity,
हाँ.
but it is part of your persona.
It is a part
it
of
makes
my
you look
persona.
different from the sea
It
of
does,
same
it
looking
does.
faces.
हाँ,
So.
बस वो जब मैं देखती हूँ ना कि when it's everything, जब मैं देखती हूँ people making it everything about me, तब मुझे होता है कि यार,
No, I don't think.
you know, हाँ.
I don't think.
Yeah.
कौन है ये लोग? Your performance is everything about you
Thank
when you're
you.
on screen.
Thank
It
you.
has nothing to do with your hair. You could have short hair, long hair, straight
Yeah,
hair.
yeah.
Your performance is.
That's what I say.
कौन है ये लोग?
That's
गलत कहते हैं.
exactly what I say. हाँ.
Commercial versus critical acclaim.
Commercial. I've done critical acclaimed. I've done it.
Been there, done that.
Been there, done that.
ठीक है.
I've done it.
सही है.
I've done it. And the thing is कि because I mean I love being critically acclaimed. I love it. But the thing is that वो subconsciously एक चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई और शायद कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को ये लगने लगा कि शायद यही genre करती हैं. And I don't.
हाँ, you don't want to be stuck into
I don't
that
want, I
rut.
don't.
हाँ.
And the thing is, it gets really boring. It gets really boring. If you do, you know, too much of the same thing, that is also monotonous.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, and I'm all about breaking the mold. I don't want, I mean, as an actor, I mean, that's all I ever wanted to be in life. There is no plan B. This is everything I want to
वैसे,
continue doing.
You're
in life.
right.
हाँ.
You're right.
So as an actor, I want to be everywhere, in every genre.
वैसे जैसे नूरजहां का जो आपका कैरेक्टर था सुम्बुल,
हाँ.
that got critical and commercial acclaim.
Yes,
That's
yes.
the best balance,
That
right?
is the
A drama
best
that
balance,
is watched
yes.
by everybody, so
हाँ.
commercially viable.
हाँ.
और इसमें आपका कैरेक्टर इतना nuanced हो और उसकी
Yeah.
इतनी जर्नी हो
Yeah.
कि वो commercially और critically दोनों तरह
दोनों
से
तरह
recognize
से
हो.
exactly.
वो best होते
वो
हैं.
best था. I really did have the best of both worlds in
But my
Noorjahan.
favorite Haja Yamin character is Jindo. I think I've told you
Oh
that
my
before.
God, Jindo was such a treat.
Oof, the way you transformed in Jindo, I've told you before also.
Thank you so much. Jindo was a
वो
treat for
अलग ही
me
था
as
ना,
well.
वो अलग ही
हाँ,
चीज था.
हाँ.
लेकिन ऐसी चीजें बहुत कम बनती हैं और ऐसी
हाँ.
चीजें बहुत कम देखी जाती हैं. तो जहाँ मैंने
हाँ.
देखा है, I know that
Even I
बहुत से
was
लोगों ने
surprised
नहीं
कि Jindo was a commercial hit. Jindo बहुत चला. It became huge. And because जब हम लोग कर रहे थे and I was thinking कि अंजुम भाई do you think this has a market ये वो, मैंने कहा देखते हैं हम.
वो start as a niche drama हुआ
हाँ.
and then it blew up.
Yeah.
Then everybody was watching.
Everybody was watching it. And I loved it because then again वो बहुत देर से on air हुआ था. हमने
हाँ,
shoot
it
बहुत
got
पहले कर
delayed.
लिया था.
I
हाँ,
remember.
हाँ.
I remember.
हमने बहुत पहले shoot कर लिया था. So yeah, grateful for that.
But Haja, what do you think is your best performance? Like when you look back. जैसे मैंने तो अपनी favorite Haja Yamin performance बता दी, but what do you recognize as your best?
Honestly, Maliha, the best is yet to come.
हाँ, that's for sure.
The best is yet to come because the thing is, मैं वही कहती हूँ कि यार अगर मुझे बहुत जल्दी सब कुछ मिल जाता तो जो मैं अभी कर रही हूँ वो ना हो रहा होता, बिकॉज आई स्टिल फील लाइक जो क्राफ्ट मेरा अभी है वो 8 साल पहले नहीं था.
ऑफ कोर्स
नहीं था. जो ठहराव अभी आया है वो पहले नहीं था.
लेकिन उसके लिए स्ट्रगल भी बड़ी करनी पड़ी है.
हाँ,
सीखना पड़ा है, हाइज एंड लोज देखे.
But then again, it was all fun. Now that I look back at it, it was fun. I mean, Maria, to get tired of struggling in a line of work that you love, it is a luxury which a lot of people don't have. So I'm bloody lucky. I'm very lucky
and
that
those
way.
8 years got you something very special.
Very
I
special.
feel that your fan following is very consistent.
Yeah.
एक होता है ना flavor of the month.
हाँ.
आप देखें हमेशा यूरोपियन सोशल मीडिया there's always a flavor of the month.
हाँ.
हर 6 महीने एक favorite hero, favorite
Yeah.
heroine और फिर अगला.
Yeah.
और वो इतनी fickle audience है सच्ची.
हाँ.
वो इतने जल्दी switch
हाँ,
करते हैं
हाँ,
अपनी
हाँ.
romantic inclinations
Exactly.
and fandom change
हाँ.
करते हैं. But you've got this cult following.
Yes.
That says, oh, it's Hajra Yamin. Let's wait and see what she has to do.
Exactly. And I didn't know I have this.
This you got through the struggle.
This is a recent find for me as well. This is a very recent.
मुझे Twitter से नजर आता है. I see conversations on you a lot of times.
Twitter. I'm not on Twitter.
Okay, you need to get on to Twitter.
I guess. But then again, I mean, having one social platform is enough of a stress already, But no, it's a lot already. But this is a recent find for me as well, and it's overwhelming.
तो ये 8 साल थे जो स्ट्रगल के थे, दीवारों से टक्कर मार के कुछ करने के, इसमें आपने ये
अब अगर कोई मुश्किल आती है ना तो मैं कहती हूँ यार मेरा it's so crazy but now when I'm going through a difficult time in life मेरे दिमाग में पहली थॉट ये आती है कि यार ये परफॉर्मेंस में कैसा निकलेगा.
अच्छा, so you try to extract some sort of positivity from that tough time also.
Yeah.
Let me learn from this and put it into a scene.
ये हुआ. So if I'm given a character, how can I incorporate this?
It's because you love it.
It's performance makes
you like it that much.
Yeah.
Achha, so you just mentioned social media platforms.
Yeah.
You still don't enjoy it? Social media?
I do doom scroll at times. I am a victim of 3 a.m. doom scrolling. I am. But then again, see, I think social media is what you make out of it as well, and I think आप phases में आता है ना सबके. कभी-कभी वो लोग it's hell for people. कभी-कभी it's very educational for people. You will see all sorts of audiences, all sorts of content on social media. So you are solely responsible for what you're exposing yourself to.
What the algorithm shows you depends on what you're looking at.
So in a way, it is a direct reflection of the sort of person you are. What you talk about, what you type in your phone when you're sitting alone.
So your algorithm must show dramas a lot because that's your world.
It shows a lot of cats. It shows a lot of dogs. It shows a lot of snakes.
So that's all feel good. Not snakes, maybe. Snakes.
No, I love reptiles.
Acha.
Yeah.
Lizards.
I love lizards.
Achha.
Love lizards.
अब तो गर्मियाँ नजर आएंगी ना.
नजर आएंगी नहीं, but the thing is the one you can pet, the ones you can pet,
अच्छा, वो दीवारों वाली हमारी कराची की नहीं.
हाँ, अच्छा, उनको तो मैं अगर मुझे कोई नजर आती है मैं कहती हूँ देखो मैं आपको तंग नहीं करूंगी, आप मुझे तंग ना करना.
आप उसे आउट लाउड बोलती हैं.
हाँ,
वो मान जाती हैं.
मुझे नजर नहीं आती. मैं कहती हूँ मुझे नजर मत आना प्लीज मेरे सामने. मैं नहीं मारूंगी. मेरी कोशिश होती है कि अगर मुझे कोई जानदार चीज नजर आ रही है मैं उसको ना मारूं, बट मैं कहती बस प्लीज मुझे नजर ना आना प्लीज. अच्छा, मेरी कोशिश होती है मैं कुछ ना करूं.
Okay, so that's your algorithm. Snakes and cats and dogs.
Snakes and cats.
So that's a very positive, feel good algorithm. There's none of the bashing that is trolling, bashing जो social media पे होती है वो आपके पास नहीं आती.
See, I mean, what you're talking about mostly अपनी डेली लाइव्स में आपको वही नजर आएगा. On your phone listens to you, right?
Yeah.
It does. हम अभी बात कर रहे होंगे मुझे ये खरीदना है, आपको एकदम से उसके एड्स नजर आना शुरू हो जाएंगे.
I know, that's so spooky.
It is very spooky, but your phone does listen to you. So yeah, so I talk to my cat all day long. So I see a lot of cat videos, and then I follow a lot of memes. I follow a lot of, you know, funny pages इस तरह से. So yeah, a lot of millennial content.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
feel good.
हाँ.
हाजा, डू यू थिंक एक्टर्स अपने सोशल मीडिया फॉलोइंग के बेसिस पे अभी भी हायर होते हैं? क्यों ये 3 इसकी इतनी फॉलोइंग है तो इसे इस रोल में कर लो? आपने होते हुए देखा? अभी भी, पहले तो होता था ऑफ कोर्स.
मैं एक बात बताऊं, मैंने अपने आप को इस कॉन्वर्सेशन से आज़ाद कर दिया है.
सारे कंपैरेटिव कॉन्वर्सेशन से यू मीन?
हाँ,
जहाँ के उसको ये रोल क्यों मिला और उसको ये क्यों मिला? अच्छा.
मैंने अपने आप को, आई हैव सेट माई सेल्फ फ्री फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ दिस. Honestly, I'm so done with this.
You are just thinking कि मुझे जो रोल मिले वो मैं कैसे करूँ?
I mean, you can call me selfish. I'm only looking out for myself.
No, I think you're keeping your mental health in like
मैं नहीं
at
सोचती
peace. You're keeping yourself at peace.
मैं सोच रही हूँ मेरा क्या सीन है, मुझे क्या मिल रहा है, मैंने क्या करना है, खलास.
तो फिर आप ये भी नहीं सोचेंगे कि ओह मुझे कंटेंट बनाना चाहिए क्योंकि मेरे फॉलोअर्स मेरे.
No, I am regular. I try to be regular with posting.
It's very organic content.
हाँ, it's very organic. Yeah. वो मैं कभी-कभी होता है कि मैं कोई ना कोई शूट्स करवा लेती हूँ, you know, but अपने आप को मैं तंग नहीं करती. मुझे अपने आप को तंग करना नहीं पसंद बिल्कुल भी.
Really? Hajra, you were always like this?
No, I was not. I was, you know, हर वक्त एक survival instinct में होती थी और अभी भी वो कभी-कभी kick in करता है, you know, कि because when you're working in an industry where you don't have security as an artist, तो आप बहुत हाथ पाँव मार रहे होते हैं, आप बहुत भाग रहे, even when things are right.
Even भी आपके दिल में एक डर तो है ना कि अगला पेचेक टाइम पे आएगा कि नहीं?
Exactly. Even when things are going absolutely fine, तब भी आप restless होते हैं. So now I'm just, you know, कि कौन क्या पोस्ट कर रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा, I don't care. किसको क्या मिल रहा है, I don't care. मुझे क्या दे रहे हो?
You do you.
I do me. Because at the end of the day, nobody's, you know, none of these people are catering to me in any way at home. You know, मुझे ना इन्होंने मुझे जवाब देना है ना मैंने इनको जवाब देना है. सही है. And the thing is, a lot of times when people say a lot of things about other actors and a lot of things that are going on in the world which are shallow, when people choose to comment on the shallowest of things going on in the world instead of the real, you know, issues that are actually happening.
What someone's wearing, what someone's eating.
जब ये वाली चीजें हो रही होती है तो मैं कहती हूँ यार, I not impressed. I don't judge people, but when there's so much happening in the world, like people are dying and you see babies suffering, you see animals being treated the way they're treated by human beings. और फिर लोग कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान कहाँ जाएगा, you know?
और ऐसे कपड़े इसने क्यों पहने?
और फिर जब बात यहाँ आ जाती है कि क्या पहना हुआ है, तो मैं कहती हूँ यार, you're not my cup of tea.
क्योंकि आप इसी दुनिया में रहती हैं, ऊपर से आप ड्रामे के मैस मीडियम में.
हाँ.
आपकी ऑडियंस बिल्कुल मैस है, ठीक है, जिसमें हर तरह की सोच के लोग हैं. क्या आप अपनी ड्रेसिंग को कहीं जाते हुए मॉडरेट कर रही होती हैं?
मैं कर रही होती हूँ.
जस्ट टू सेव योरसेल्फ द एंग्स्ट ऑफ ट्रोलिंग एंड बातें जो सारी सुनाते हैं लोग.
मैं कर रही हूँ. I am careful. I am very careful. And I some years ago I didn't have a filter. I did not have a filter. But now I take it in a way that I'm exclusive to a very small circle of people. Achha. The rest get to see a version of me which is, you know, which they think is very deep, but it's really not.
It's a persona.
It comes effortlessly to me.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Your professional persona, your public persona.
My public persona.
हाँ तो ठीक है. You don't need to let everybody into who you are.
And a lot of times, you know, people end up asking me, you know, don't you want controversy? There are no personal details about your life and all of that. And I'm like, anything and everything that will take the attention away from my work, I don't want that. I'm very, very, very possessive about the fact कि जो लोगों की attention है वो मेरे काम तक रहे.
अच्छा, जब काम अच्छा होता है तो फिर आपको और ज़रूरत भी नहीं. You were talking about Umrah earlier, so you went for Umrah. You've been for Umrah earlier because
I used to live in Saudi.
हाँ.
I used to live in Saudi.
But you went last year also. हाँ. Did that give you peace also?
Yeah, I mean, it was, I went there with my own money and I treated myself and I mean, कोई भी वहाँ अपनी तरफ से नहीं जा सकता. You have to have an invitation from Allah Ta'ala himself to go there. So I was like, how incredible is it? Because the line of work I'm in and being invited by God himself to his home is, is it speaks volumes for me, and I don't have to say anything to anyone. So as a woman, it was a very, very, very liberating experience for me. Okay, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to say anything. I don't have to defend myself. All I have to do is let everything like break free, let it loose, let the chaos win, and everything that will fall is mine to consider. Not the rest. The rest is noise. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. The rest is actually noise.
The rest is actually noise.
It's just that आप इतनी noise में रहते हैं
हाँ.
और especially आपका जो profession जो इतना spotlight में है, हर वक्त focus में, the noise sometimes for a lot of people, it becomes difficult to ignore the noise, but I think you've figured it out.
I'm on my way to figure it out. Yeah, and the thing is, like, Maliha, to be honest with you, to anyone who has ever told you that you need connections, that you need to go out and meet people, to be seen, to get work, that is bullshit advice.
Really?
Yes.
ये आप अब networking की बात कर रही
हैं? मैं networking की बात कर रही हूँ. I mean, in the beginning, it's important to introduce yourself.
कि उन्हें पता हो कि ये लड़की है जो काम करना चाहती है.
It is important to introduce yourself. It is important to introduce yourself with pride and with your own set of morals and values. It's very, very important to come in this industry with your own values. Because you will not survive well if you don't have a strong set of values. So, just believe in your craft. Believe in yourself. If you have identified that there is a gift in you, then believe in that gift, work on that gift, and work on your connection with God.
Hajra, it's very important to believe in yourself. It's also important to believe in yourself, in your case, because you are incredibly talented.
Thank you.
But I feel that you don't often get the roles that you deserve.
That does
आपके
happen.
अंदर ये एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस और ये सेल्फ बिलीव बहुत स्ट्रांग होना होगा, क्योंकि पीछे से एक थॉट होती है कभी कभी जो आपको नज कर रही होती है कि मैं इतने साल लग गए, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा मुझे और क्यों नहीं मिल रहा, और ऑफ कोर्स यू गेटिंग गुड स्टफ, इंटरेस्टिंग रोल्स, बट और इंटरेस्टिंग और क्यों नहीं. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप दिस
जब तक वो आएगा ना, जब तक वो आएगा तब तक ये वाला बॉडी ऑफ वर्क बहुत जरूरी था.
जो अभी हम बात कर रहे थे.
बिकॉज जब वो आएगा, आई होप कि वो भी इतना ही अच्छा हो. उसका इतना ही अच्छा होना और इतना वर्सेटाइल होना और इतना बड़ा होना एज ए कैरेक्टर बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो जो अभी मैंने किया उसको जस्टिफाई करे. बिकॉज इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद अपने कैरेक्टर्स को इतना बड़ा बना के मैं छोटा नहीं कर सकती.
ठीक, आई अंडरस्टैंड. यस, एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली.
और वो होगा
और नहीं, और वैसे ही रिपीटिंग माई सेल्फ है, बट नैरेटिव्स चेंज हो रहे हैं. तो अब कभी कभी आप मेन लीड्स की जगह किसी और ट्रैक की बात कर रहे होते हैं. तो अब मेन लीड जो होता है ना, क्लासिक मेन लीड, यू सी सो मेनी ensemble dramas. नूरजहां वाज एन ensemble drama, I mean classic example of an ensemble drama. उसकी कोई एक लीड नहीं थी फीमेल लीड या मेल लीड, उसमें बहुत सारे.
And also the fact that it was based, the name was Noorjahan. Noorjahan was Sabah Hamid.
Yes. So she was
who knew that a woman of her age in a Pakistani patriarchal industry would end up on a title drama. How incredible is that?
बिल्कुल.
Just be so honest with your craft कि you cannot help it to be seen. And even if it scares
Acha,
people, let it scare people.
This was a question. So
Haan.
people must get intimidated by
I've heard this a lot. Oh my God, I have heard this and I hate it.
Who has told you
I
this?
hate this. Oh my God, personally and professionally, both. Personally, I've been told by men that I'm intimidating, and I'm like, I have social anxiety, bro. I'm half the time in my head when I'm out of the house. तो मैं सोच रही होती हूँ मैं घर कितनी जल्दी वापस भागूं.
अभी भी है हाजरा.
हाँ हाँ.
Have you overcome it to some
I'm
extent?
a homebody.
हाँ.
I love, and when I'm out, though, I like to be with my own set of people.
Right. Okay.
Otherwise नहीं हो सकता.
But men get intimidated.
I don't know why.
I think co-actors must also get intimidated कि ये
That has
scene को take
happened.
over कर दे.
That has happened. That has happened कि जो है कि ये क्यों है और ये क्या
यानी
है.
a co-actor said why is she here?
ये क्यों है और ये क्या है और इसको इतना बड़ा क्यों किया जा रहा है. But little did they know कि आपको बड़ा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because the person playing the character has worked on themselves enough कि you cannot miss them.
अच्छा फिर जब ये होता है तो फिर क्या होता है और ये पास्ट की बात
हो रही है. शुरू में I would get taken aback. I would actually get very sad. It would actually make me cry. But now I feel like it's a power to have. It's a power to have, and since I identified that it's a power for me, so I mean, the people who came my way to collaborate with me were people like Nadeem Beg. There were people like Kubra in Dr. Bahu. You know, people who will not get intimidated by what you have to offer, or would want to make you a part of something and will tell you that it will look better with you in it.
Really? That's Kubra?
That's Kubra. Yeah. So now I've worked with so many women who are so secure within themselves that they don't get intimidated by me.
क्या एक्ट्रेसेस ही ज्यादातर आपसे इनसिक्योर होती थी पहले की जो बात है कि ये क्यों इतनी बड़ी
I've also had men say no to dramas in being paired with me, Maliha. So it's not just women.
Strange.
It's not just women. I've also had very notable names of male actors say no to work with me. Okay, you know, I mean, if Hajra is in it, then the story is going to be around her.
Which is true. Yeah.
So I'm not going to, you know, I'm not. I will not be seen.
I'll get overshadowed.
I will get overshadowed. Little do they know, okay, there are so many things you can do as an actor to be seen. मैंने सीखा है यहाँ से अमली how to work in those gaps that I have. कैसे नजर आना है. And obviously, you know, it's the entire team which makes it happen. It is the script. It is Sanam has written the script. You know, and she's written it very well.
Yes.
And Shehzad Nawaz as well, you know, कि उनका character बहुत वो है. Aggressive है और intimidating है. But on set he used to be, yeah, और वो जैसे ही कुछ ऐसा scene होता था तो उसके बाद वो कहते sorry.
That's a BTS I would love to see.
वो बहुत अंदर से बहुत बड़े marshmallow हैं वो, you know.
But he does a fine job of playing the bully.
हाँ, even Sabah Hamid, Adil Hussain, you know, they're, I mean, all of this. Shuja और Kubra को तो सबको पता ही है, you know. I mean, they're also very close to my heart. I love them, and even the rest of them, you know, they're such a good bunch to work with. Secure actors who know their own place, you know, will give you space. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. You're working with good teams, good production houses. So obviously वो जो पुराने past experiences थे वो आहिस्ता filter out हो रहे हैं और आप secure लोगों के साथ काम करिए जिन्हें आप trust भी कर सकती हैं कि आपको screen time देंगे, आपके narrative जो है वो नजर आएगा audience को, है ना? But are there friendships in the industry? Do you have some close, rock solid friends?
I've recently made those friends. मेरा शुरू से एक ही दोस्त था, अली अब्बास.
अच्छा.
शुरू से मेरा एक ही दोस्त था और मैं बिल्कुल न्यू थी. एंड अली अब्बास एक बहुत बड़ा स्टार है अपने. अली अब्बास इज़ ह्यूज एंड उसने बस मुझे कहा कि तुम मेरी दोस्त बनोगी, बस मुझे और कुछ नहीं पता. एंड कोई 7 साल हो गए हैं हमारी दोस्ती को, ज़्यादा ही. एंड हमना, his kids, they're like family to me. And उसके बाद फिर अब आके, like in the last couple of years I made a couple of friends and I didn't know it could happen. I didn't know I could have friends in the industry. And now I do. and now I can just pick up the phone and talk to them about my work, about what's being offered, and I know कि उनके पास से जो advice आएगी वो genuine होगी,
people you can trust.
Yeah, वो ये नहीं होगी कि हाजरा को ये ऑफर हुआ है तो मुझे क्यों नहीं ऑफर हुआ.
यही तो होता है usually,
हाँ,
है ना?
No, it's so secure. We're all so transparent, and it's lovely. Yeah. So yes, I do have friends in the industry now.
Okay. What are you doing now? What's next?
What's next? I don't know. I don't know what's next.
अच्छा, अभी कुछ दिनों से कुछ साइन नहीं किया.
अभी मैंने कुछ साइन नहीं किया है और अभी एक मोहब्बत और रैप करना है. हाँ. And yeah, let's see.
Have you started watching your own dramas a bit? You didn't used to.
थोड़ा बहुत करना शुरू किया है.
क्यों?
हाँ.
लेकिन ये अब क्यों हुआ ऐसा?
Because एक तो बिकॉज ये वाला ड्रामा बहुत अच्छा है डॉक्टर बहू, तो मुझे बाकी सबके भी सीन्स देखने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, यू नो. एंड नूरजहां वाज अ ट्रीट टू वॉच. और कुछ ड्रामे मैंने सिर्फ क्लिप्स में, जैसे पाकीज़ा मैंने सिर्फ क्लिप्स में देखा है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक काशिफ निसार इज़ अमेजिंग, सहर वाज इनक्रेडिबल इन इट, एंड नमीर एज वेल. सो या थोड़ा मैंने करना शुरू किया है, बट आई एम मोर इनटू रीडिंग देन watching TV. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Hajra.
Thank you for having me.
As always, really interesting, really sincere conversation. I look forward for our meetups every few years. एक तो हमेशा 2-4 ऐसे रोल आप कर चुकी होती हैं जिनके बारे में नए सवाल होते हैं. That's how you are. That's who you are.
Yeah.
Also, I wish you all the best. You are so talented that it's all upwards from here.
There's no हो ही नहीं सकता ना कुछ और.
हाँ, कुछ और नहीं हो सकता.
There's no other way.
So good
than
luck.
to move onward and
good
upward.
luck all the way to the top.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Maliha. Thank you.